The first day, attended a pofidi, and again, it was just speechless. There's just a different energy that these cultural rituals bring in. At times, our generation, our students, Pasifika, the Pacific Islanders sometimes don't align with testings and that kind of paradigm. This is our sense of identity. Yeah. If all else fails, if you lose your ID and things that just tells once you open up, when you say something, the words that comes out of our mouths identifies who we are. Alo, alofa, family values. And I thought, what is it that brings it together? These are the values that we embody in how we walk and how we talk. You talk with respect, you talk with love, and you talk when you represent families and your culture.